Are you tired of spending all day doing your hair? Well, today I will be using Naturalicious hair care system in less than 30 minutes. Yep, I said it. 30 minutes. I will be using this 3-step hair care system. So if you're interested in learning how you can do your hair in less than 30 minutes, keep watching. Step 1 is a 5-in-1 clay treatment, and this is really what cuts down on your time because it is used as a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, and detangler. That cuts down about 80% of your wash routine. Being that I can use this as a shampoo as well, I like to apply a little bit to my scalp and massage it in. So that process took about 17 minutes. Now it's time to wash it out. My curls feel so soft, they're bouncy, they're hydrated. I'm very impressed. Next is step 2, which is the Moisture Infusion Styling Cream. This is a moisturizer that will go on your hair right after you wash it. You can use it as a styling cream, a moisturizer, or if you need a little bit of intense hydration. So after the product is thoroughly applied, it is now time to move on to the last and final step, step 3. Step 3 is what you will use to lock in and seal the moisture. It is a lightweight oil that helps fight frizz and keep your hair shiny, smooth, and hydrated. So now that we are finished with the 3-step hair care system, let's see what our time is looking like. It took a total of 28 minutes to do a complete wash day. Now, afterwards, you can either blow dry your hair, diffuse, or let it air dry, or if you have a protective style you would like to do, now would be the time to do it. So overall, I'm very impressed and satisfied with how my hair turned out, and I really recommend you ladies to try it. To preserve my curls so they don't get frizzy and matted overnight, I'm going to do a twist out. This is how it turned out the next morning. So here are the results from my twist out, and I'm very satisfied. I hope you all enjoyed watching this, and if you have any questions, please comment below or DM me on Instagram. Thanks for watching, curl friends.